Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change region on your iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings and then tap on our profile with our name. Here we need to find media and purchases and tap on it. Then in appearance menu we should tap on view account. Pass the Face ID and just wait. Here we need to scroll down and find subscriptions and tap on it. To change region we have to cancel all our subscriptions. For example, I have YouTube Premium, and if I want to change the region I need to turn it off. Here just tap on cancel subscription and then confirm and go back and done. After this we need to go back to our media and purchases and tap on view account. Then we need to tap on country or region, pass the Face ID, tap on change country or region, then you should choose your country. Here you should tap on agree at the top and again agree. Then you can add your payment methods or just tap none. And just fill your name, surname, street, postcode, city and phone number. And tap on next. And done. And that's all. It was how to change region on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we will appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.